The holidays are coming in hot and I know that you're short on time, so let's get right into it. You're wondering if Maniology is going to be releasing a Christmas countdown calendar box, and I'm not here to disappoint. The answer is a resounding yes. Introducing the Box of Wonders, and it promises to be a delightfully kitschy holiday experience. This fun nostalgic collection is inspired by the quirky playfulness of retro holiday patterns, vibrant colors, and cheeky ornaments straight from grandma's tinsel Christmas tree. Just think of the holiday deer with the flirty eyelashes. I think you know which one I'm talking about. Count down the days to Christmas with a box full of 12 hand-selected nail art products designed to bring joy and cheer to the season,
including 4 exclusive in-collection only items, 5 fabulous nail stamping plates, 3 vibrant stamping polishes, and more.
So make sure to mark your calendars for Monday, October 21st, because this release is open to everyone. Set your alarm, sign up for our Maniology newsletter, because the Box of Wonders is limited edition and in limited supply. So don't miss out, treat yourself and grab a lucky box for a friend as a stocking stuffer, and get ready to spread some holiday cheer. Can't wait to bring this to you. Happy holidays.